Bless up my people. You don't know see a Vice Boss Level TV. And we there have to talk about buju. But before we jump into the video, me I beg you please like, comment and subscribe and share. Yeah man, cause without you guys, the channel can't go nowhere. You understand? And me I big up all of my subscribers and me I big up all of my viewers them. Cause me know who not subscribe yet. I go subscribe soon as possible. Cause we are putting in the work. Yeah, my people, we see buju come out and we talk a bag of things, but I don't know how much we word pan, but man say entertain our clown. So, my people, me I gonna expect you to take in the video or tell me what you think. Because I know me I think in my brain now. I see if I see anything I think.
All corruption and reprobate bomb buckler. Person who heart no man, make us see that face. We just sit down and eat and we hungry and we're in a poverty. And we don't even like the fact that some we are trying to break the change of poverty.
Right now, I realize everybody drink this Kool-Aid, yeah. Never work for doing, you know. You think he's a batty boy. You think he's a pussy. Let me tell you something. Call me anything you want, call me. What means that a wicked, I means that a murderer, I means that a cokehead, I means that a madman. I own mad. And most of you now have no blood clot sense. I fight. I no bow to Rome. I fight them many years and I fight them for honor. I try. Many ones try. Some people who me love as entertainers to me see them bow out. Go under. Some I show the mark of the beast to my people them. I hold it up in a hand sign and make it them insignia. Because them know them I do. And them want this money so much because of that around the earth. So them I sell everything, even them very soul. I don't come for sell nothing. The Lord bless me from me at 19 because I stay true to the order of what him say. Singers and players of instrument. Me not a bumbleclad entertainer. I'm a singer and a player of instrument. Entertainers are clowns. You hear me, people? Them only entertain. We don't enter blood clot teen. I perform and sing and chant and dance and skank and make my spirit bear it before you know. I'm going to say God live. So you know I say. A trick you know. Look what trick you know. On TV. It all get worse. It all get worse because you don't know yourself.
Yeah, my people, and them come out and say, man, figure it out now there. Look how we still, you know. Say, man, them just walk around and take care of the woman, them. Boy, God go with them still, you know. Because I know them look good still, you know. You see it, so. Don't know why the man don't want to sample them. Or maybe just already yet. Or maybe the words nice street. Or that I really are going. But me and a person, if you got call him words nice street with upon him, you see, but anyway, my people, and just tell me what you think about the whole situation. If I just see the views, I'm making money, or something else behind it.
You feel like at the last time you ever put your relationship out there?
Man, I figure it out now in our relationship.
Fresh drop.
This is news to me now.
What you mean by that?
Dyma.
Figure it out, that's my bestie. What you mean?
Let me take a sip. Dyma, what you mean?
No, but what you mean?
You know, so them 1, 2, 3, 7, 6 series you have to go stop. You have figured out that?
No, me I figure it out about sex in a real life. We just do with thing. No sex, we don't reach a sex bullet. For me and a man no sex me in a day. That's how I deal with things. If I'm going to hold me in a day.
Fresh drop.
We are those besties. We don't reach there yet.
Okay, but when you getting there?
Yeah, me don't know if we are going to get there or not. I don't sure. Because figure it out is a man that have some strict rules. And I'm a lady that have strict rules. And figure it out is a man like when him lady listen and don't go and bad. And you know, me's a drunker when me ready. So I don't know if we really go figure it out, you know. But I really want to figure it out still.
Oh, this shit, Dyma. But yo, honestly, I can't understand.
But
what's going on. No,
why would I come on an interview saying that?
No, I'm not saying nothing, but I'm just saying I don't understand what's going on because now
Fresh drop.
Hakeem has said him and Rosalina reach and say it. Why everybody abstain?
So alright,
I don't know.
I'm see the video. I'm sure I'm see a video with you and him. I'm gonna know which club in there. But I swear,
them they make over there.
And him a pledge, him a talk to you, so you tell me.
Yeah, him say him promise ring and engagement. Yeah, we not confuse the people them. We not
Yeah.
Yeah, what's going on?
What?
What's going on?
Listen,
We're listening.
Figure it out, say. Him, the bottom me and him have, him no want break it.
Fresh drop.
And him think if we go deep and go in a sex, feelings are gonna carry, and we not we work properly. So, remember me no want me can't, if the man says something, remember me can't look like me desperate for fuck or something. So me can't go to the say me and a man never going to beg go lie down and sex yet. Cause if cocky no going to pussy day, you know.
Yeah.
So him say want me to see him down.
Alright, so like on a day yet, is the case where if somebody watch this or somebody see Diamond on the road and them want Diamond, you're open to see what that person is saying?
Nah. I'm not open.
So on an exclusive, but on a day. Alright, what about him? Let's say him say somebody now, or somebody say him, and them a say Ray. Or would you feel if him talk to one new girl?
But I go on bad me there. I remember your part me, you know. Remember me can't go no in peace, you know. Cause remember everywhere me go, you know, people them stop calling me Dyma, figure it out. Why?
Yeah.
So if you know,
Fresh
see me I
drop.
go and fix the thing and I'm gonna see with somebody. No go on bad. Excellent.
Bless up my people. Thanks for watching the video to the end. I hope you're doing good. Yeah, man. Hope you just do the right thing, like it, video, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself. Peace out.